Okay, we are CCM Steel, and we are going to be talking about our construction approach for the City of Flagstaff Courts facility. I'm Cameron Sweeney, I'm the project manager.
I'm Cameron Russo, I'm the superintendent.
And I'm Michael Foley, I'm the estimator.
So first, giving a quick project overview of what we're going to be talking about, I'm going to go over the background of what our scope of work is for the City of Flagstaff Courts facility, the site logistics, our schedule, and then why you should choose CCM. So first, looking at our scope, it's structural steel, and this is going to consist of steel framing, steel joists, and metal decking, as well as the connections and accessories for each of these divisions.
Moving on to our site logistics and phasing of our project, we're going to be doing on-time deliveries for our steel building. They're going to be coming south down Mount Humphreys and turning left onto Cherry Avenue. We'll have traffic control at Cherry Avenue and Birch Avenue for entrances and exits. Our project is located at the corner of Cherry Avenue and Beaver Street. In doing this, we're allowing for a smaller site laydown of our project. Moving on to the phasing of it, we're going to break it into 4 sections, completing each level with the metal decking and the steel columns and girders. We're planning on having 1 crane position to minimize mobilization. It's able to do all of our heaviest picks as well as reach out to our farthest distances. In this, we're going to be starting in the southwest corner of the building and then moving counterclockwise. We are doing this to also aid with the masonry work that needs to be completed along at the same time as our steel erection is going on. We're doing this to make sure that the structure and timing of this project is able to be met in the quickest and most efficient way possible.
So then looking at our schedule for the steel erection, we have a total duration of 92 days, and that's going to include procurement and construction. Procurement is our longest phase, lasting 58 days, and that's going to include preparing shop drawings, approving shop drawings, and then the actual fabrication of the steel, since it is a long lead item. And then we have our construction, which lasts 33 days, and that's going to average 8 days per sequence for the sequences that Cameron talked about on that phasing plan. And then we have 1 day for project closeout and demobilization.
So for project cost, we found that our total was going to be around 1.2 million, this including our insurance and our overhead, along with our profit. We found that our subtotal was about 1 million, and using that, we found that our insurance of 1% of our subtotal was 10,000, our overhead at 5%, giving us 50,000, and our profit at 10, giving us 101,000. And why you should choose us? It's safety. We have a safety record of no major incidents on site that have caused a delay in the past 5 years. We hold safety above all else, and we strive to make a standard that all of our scopes and subcontractors can look to and use as a standard.